Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a community inside the Skool community app. First thing, you wanna sign up or log in. You can use the link that is pinned under this video to create your account in Skool and you can get a free trial. First thing, when you actually create your account, you will be head to the main feed on Skool over here. On the upper left corner, you will see the three straight lines. You want to click on the three straight lines. And then you will see the first option with the plus sign, which will allow you to create a community. You want to click on create community. This is where things are getting very, very interesting. So when you try to create a community on Skool, you will have a 14 days free trial. After this free trial expires, you will have to pay $99 a month. The thing over here is that you want to input your credit card information, which I understand might be not the best way for you to start your free trial, but that's the way how Skool actually works. It is very important to understand that there is no additional fees associated with you running your free group. The main idea here is that you can actually make your group to be paid and you can make your group to be public or private. So you will see a lot of people actually running a very large free groups. Like if I go back over here on the actual feed, you will see that if we click on the filter over here on the site, and if we click the free groups, you will see that there are a lot of people with large free groups. Like for example, this one, it is a private group, but it has 24,000 members and it is free. Then you can come over here, you see there is groups with 5,000, groups of 16,000, right, 29,000. So there are groups with a lot of community members, a lot of group members. They don't pay for anything, but there is additional value on top of it because the creator of the group most likely have a upsell, which means that they have either a Q&A or they have a special consultation call where they will charge people additional money, right? This is something that it's a common practice. The reason for it is that the creators of the groups are paying $99 a month. So if they don't have a value out of using the platform, they probably will run somewhere else their community on other platform, right? So the idea here is that Skool helps people to engage not only with the actual creators, but with the channel members, with the group members. Because you can ask questions, you can essentially provide information and value. You can ask people to help you with your business or with whatever questions or issues you have. And this is why the groups are built up and created as a public and private. You might be wondering why some of the groups are free, but they're actually private, right? If somebody wants to allow you to join for free, why would they actually hide the group for the public? Well, like I mentioned, they are upsells and they definitely want to filter who is part of the group. And usually when you have a free group, you might actually have some bots, or you might have someone who is trying to sell inside the group who might try to use the group members to offer a service or a product. So this is why the admin of the group, the founder of the group, is monitoring the free entries and the people who really wants to learn something about the topic, really wants to add value, who is really interested, not someone who is trying to capitalize on the community. And this has always been true. Even if you look back to the Facebook groups, you always have to answer a couple of questions to validate your response, to validate your interest in the group. So this is why I really like the way how the Skool is actually arranged and has this gamification mode which allow people to be rewarded for being active on the community, and to actually contribute to each of the members and help them building their wealth together.